In the critical world of medical device sterilization facilities, speed, precision, and safety are paramount. Given the inherent risks associated with the three primary sterilization methods, gamma, E-beam, and ethylene oxide, ETO, constructing these buildings requires navigating both local and international standards. Primus brings unmatched expertise in designing, building, and automating these complex facilities. With more than 20 successful MDS projects, we've mastered building for the full spectrum of sterilization techniques. Gamma sterilization is a powerful method ideal for sterilizing products in bulk, especially those with dense packaging. Understanding the intricacies of radiation physics, our team delivers everything from lead-lined walls to secure loading docks needed to shield workers and the surrounding environment. For products that require rapid sterilization and are sensitive to high doses of radiation, E-beam sterilization is a faster alternative. Primus designs these facilities to include specialized shielding, effectively turning pipes to scatter radiation. Automated material handling systems also minimize exposure and maximize safety. When radiation methods are not possible or unsafe for the materials involved, we design and build facilities that utilize ethylene oxide sterilization. Features include advanced ventilation systems, gas-tight containment zones, and precise control systems to properly handle the gas while ensuring compliance with international safety standards. Whether adapting an existing facility or constructing a new one anywhere in the United States or Mexico, we design systems that optimize material flow, mitigate risks, and ensure uninterrupted operations and compliance with current and emerging regulations. Whether gamma, E-beam, or ETO, our goal is the same: to build confidence in your facility's ability to safely and consistently deliver sterile medical devices to market, on time and within budget. With our team's record in MDS, Primus is the industry leader you can trust to navigate the complexities and build the safest facilities in the industry.